Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Fujifilm X-S20. If you're a content creator, you love travel, adventure and all of that good stuff, then this video is for you. Now I know I jumped right in with content creator, but I do want to stress that this camera really is suited to all types of photography and videography. Let me run you through the spec. We have a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans4 BSI CMOS sensor with the X processor 5. 6.2K 30p open gate video recording, along with 4K 60 and Full HD up to 240 for some epic slow motion. It's 422 10-bit up to 360 megabytes per second, and there's also the option for ProRes Blackmagic RAW via HDMI. We've got 8 frames per second shooting with the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second blackout free with the electronic. IBIS with 7 stops, eye, face, AF and subject detection. A 3-inch 3-way tilting touch LCD, making it perfect for use in any shooter scenario, and there's also a 2.36 million dot OLED color viewfinder. It's a Fujifilm, so of course we have our much loved film simulation modes, 19 of them to be exact, including nostalgic neg. There's a dedicated vlog mode on the top dial, and inside of that menu you've got quick access to useful settings like product priority and background defocus. Full auto mode with auto subject detection and custom slots for you to save your favourite settings. We've got one UHS 2 SD card slot, a 3.5mm mic headphone jack, a 2.5mm remote release, USB-C charging, micro HDMI, and if you wanted to, you're also able to live stream and use it as a webcam to make remote working a whole lot simpler. Now it's not just those features which make the X-S20 great for storytelling. As it's a mirrorless camera, you also have the option to choose from some truly beautiful lenses, including this, the XF 8mm f3.5 RWR lens. A stunning little compact and lightweight lens, perfectly suited for travel content. Think landscapes, architecture, vlogging around a city, that kind of thing. And let's not forget the Fujifilm app. This is a great way to connect your smartphone, so you can either use it as a remote shutter or it gives you a quick and easy transfer to get your photos and videos off your camera so you can share them to social media. Right, that's enough talking about the X-S20. Let's actually go and use it. I love a small camera, and that is exactly what the Fujifilm X-S20 is. It's small, it's lightweight, it's pretty much your perfect travel companion. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm X-S20, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.